I am so excited to introduce this beautiful emerald that I just finished wire wrapping with a sacred silver wire weave. It has labradorite, as you can see that beautiful piece, and a jade gemstone. The bottom has this sweet little swirl that holds the point. So this point is protected from ever breaking, and it provides a beautiful spin as a pendulum. It is a lovely piece that is attached with a 14 karat lobster clasp to a 7 chakra chain, and the fob has many gemstones from amethyst to garnet, labradorite, rose quartz, onyx, peridot, malachite, carnelian, you name it, it is there.